up, beautiful people? It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat Teacher. How y'all guys doing? What's up? What's going on? What's going on? I am here to teach you another line dance. Yes. And the name of the dance is called Perspective. Yes. It is a two-wall dance, and it's beginners friendly. Okay? So check it out. Check it out. Make sure you subscribe, you like, and leave me a comment, okay? Let me know what you think. If you're in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Come on, guys. Let's get busy. Oh, at the end of this video, I'm going to pin the demo where we can dance together to see if you got the steps, okay? Let's go. So like I said, it's a two-wall dance. So let's start at this wall right here, okay? So it's gonna start stepping up on the left. Step, tap, step, tap. Here we go. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out, 7, and 8. Again, 5, 6, on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out, 7, and 8. Okay, so that's your 8 count. Up on the left. Step tapping up on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out, 7, and 8. Okay? Out, 7, and 8. So my right heel is up. I'm going to go out, cross back, out, cross back, out, cross back, and out together. Okay? So I moved up on the left and I come back on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out, 7, and 8. Left, 1, 2, right, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I don't think that's right. So let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, and left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Out left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so correction is going to be out on the left. So we go out in, the heel is up, we're going to go out, cross back, and moving back on the right, okay? So we go up on the left and out, cross, tap out and in on the right, and then move back on the right. 5, 6, 7 on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out, 7, and 8. Out on the right again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's it. Okay? Up on the left again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out, 7, and 8. On the right, then out, back on the right, out, cross back. 1, 2, moving back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes. Okay, now it's time to start turn. We're going to do a rock easy quarter turn to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4 with a triple step quarter. Step pivot half with our left shoulder coming forward, half turn. 5, 6, triple, 7, and 8 with our right shoulder coming forward, quarter turn. 1, 2, triple, 3, and 4. Okay? And the last 4 is on the right, and we're going to rock up on the left. Left, right, left, right. Left, right, back, left, step right. 5, 6, 7, 8. End of dance. So let's put it together. We tap up, coming up on the left. We go out and in, our right heel is up. We're going to out, cross back, moving back on the right. Out, cross back, out, going to do a rock easy quarter turn to our right. Quarter turn, right, left, triple step. Half turn, step pivot half on the left. Step pivot half on the left with a triple, left, right, left. Step pivot quarter to our left, right, left, right. To the left shoulder. Step pivot half on the left, turning to the right. Step pivot half, left, right, left. Step pivot quarter towards the left shoulder on the right foot, quarter turn, right, left, right, and ending up on the left. Rock up and recover. Left, right, left, right. No triple step. Okay, let's put it together, starting on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out 7, in 8. Right out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Crossing back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock easy. Quarter turn to the right. 1, 2 with a triple. 3 and 4 on the left. Left foot half. Triple. 6, 7, and 8. Pivot on the right with a triple. Triple. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock. 5, step 6, back 7, and 8. Okay? Then you step up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out 7, 8. Cross back on the right. 1, 2, moving back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock easy on the right with quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pivot on the left. Step pivot on the left. 5, 6, triple, 7, and 8. Then half turn. Pivot on the right. Quarter turn. 1, 2, triple, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. You can dip with that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. Okay, perspective. That's it. So especially if you want to teach your beginners some rock easy with a quarter turn, some step pivots with a half turn, this is a great dance to do, okay? Starting on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out 7, in 8. Out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Quarter turn. 1, 2, triple, 3, and 4. Step pivot half. 5, 6, triple, 7, and 8. Pivot quarter. 1, 2, triple, 3, and 4. Rock. 5, 6, recover. 7, and 8. All right. So make sure you call out the steps and then do the count. Okay. All right. That's it. Perspective. Make sure you subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Y'all guys always leave a comment. I love that. I appreciate that so much. Also share this video. And in the corner, I will put the demo so we can dance together and make sure we have the right steps, right? My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching.